To change your font size on your iPhone, first you need to go to your settings. Now from here, you need to swipe down and you need to find this option called display and brightness. Now from here, you will see this option called text size. If you tap here and swipe this to your right, your text will become larger, or if you swipe it to your left, your text will become smaller. So I will keep it on the middle. Now if you go down, you will find this option called bold text. If you enable this, everything will be bold. As you can see, if you enable this, every text will be bold. And if you go to your to the bottom, you'll find this option called display zoom. Tap here, and from here, if you tap this large text, everything on your screen will become larger. So if you tap here, press the done button, it will ask use zoom. So it will turn off your screen for a split second, and now as you can see, everything is bigger in size. So yeah, that's how you change your font size on your iPhone.